Another big stormy night, very strong gusts of wind. You can just hear it howling. It's not so much rain at the moment, but it will rain very heavy soon. But it's cold, the wind's blowing in from the Arctic. Winter has arrived. And look at this, all the furniture's getting wet. Look at that, all the furniture's soaked. I'll have to take that washing down. This is what winter's like in Australia. This is why I've got to get out of Thailand. I mean, out of Australia. Before I think, look at it. Listen to the wind. And the water is just getting everywhere. Ooh. It was seriously icy.